Every great partnership begins with a story of trust, shared heritage, and common aspirations. For centuries, India and Nepal have shared culture, faith, traditions, commerce, and friendship. Today, that historic relationship is entering a new era driven by innovation, investment, and sustainable economic growth. When neighbors become partners, possibilities become limitless. The Global India Business Forum, one of India's leading international business chambers, successfully organized the India-Nepal Economic Forum 2026 on 26th and 27th June at the Pride Hotel, Pune, bringing together more than 100 entrepreneurs, investors, policymakers, diplomats, and industry leaders. The forum created a powerful platform for dialogue, investment, and lasting partnerships. The journey began with a distinguished diplomatic delegation from the Embassy of Nepal in India, led by Dr. Surendra Thapa, Chargé d'Affaires, accompanied by Mr. Taranath Adhikari, Minister, Economic, Mr. Rabindra Jong Thapa, Councillor, Economic, and Mr. Manoj Singh, Third Secretary, Political. The delegation was led by Dr. Jitendra Joshi, Founder and Global President of GIBF, together with Ms. Deepali Gadkari, Secretary General, and Mr. Sanjay Deshpande, Director, Corporate Affairs. The delegation visited Comsense AI, Kesari Tours Private Limited, and Everest Pharma. From artificial intelligence and digital transformation to tourism and healthcare, every interaction showcased new possibilities for India-Nepal collaboration. The forum commenced with the ceremonial lamp lighting and the national anthems of India and Nepal. The inauguration was graced by Nepal's diplomatic delegation together with Dr. Jitendra Joshi, Ms. Deepali Gadkari, and Mr. Abhishek Joshi, Global Director, Investment and Business Council. In his welcome address, Dr. Jitendra Joshi highlighted the importance of stronger economic bridges between neighboring nations. In the keynote address, Dr. Surendra Thapa encouraged deeper cooperation in trade, investment, innovation, and sustainable development. The Business Tycoon Special Edition, India-Nepal Economic Forum 2026, Bridging Borders, Building Prosperity, was officially launched. The forum honored outstanding achievers, Mr. Anand Kadam, Proprietor Director, Harsh Enterprises, Advi Komal Salinke, Founder, Savali Foundation, Mr. Vikas Abhyankar, Founder, Vastu Wonders, Mr. Dinesh Kumar Gelot, CEO and Founder, and Mrs. Simran Gelot, Director, Health Core Ventures, Private Limited. Their achievements reflected innovation, entrepreneurship, and social impact. Mr. Taranath Adhikari, Minister, Economic, presented emerging business opportunities in Nepal across manufacturing, infrastructure, tourism, agriculture, food processing, renewable energy, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, technology, and hydropower, inspiring delegates to explore cross-border investments. The forum featured an insightful panel discussion on strengthening India-Nepal economic partnerships for sustainable growth. Panelists: Dr. Surendra Thapa, Chargé d'Affaires, Embassy of Nepal, Advocate Komal Salinke, Founder, Savali Foundation, Ms. Zelum Chaubal, Director, Kesari Tours, Private Limited, Dr. Srilekha Rajesh Dean, Vice Chancellor, Maharashtra, University of Health Sciences, MUHS, Nashik and Head, Ruby Nursing College, Mr. Rajiv Parasha, Corporate Lawyer and Partner, TMT Law Practice. The interactive discussion generated practical ideas for future cooperation. The forum concluded with structured B2B meetings where entrepreneurs, investors, and delegates interacted directly with officials from the Embassy of Nepal. Ideas became opportunities, conversations became partnerships, partnerships became the foundation for future trade and investment. When neighboring nations collaborate, businesses grow, and prosperity becomes a shared journey. The Global India Business Forum remains committed to connecting nations, empowering enterprises, and creating meaningful global partnerships. India-Nepal Economic Forum 2026 was not merely an event, it marked the beginning of a stronger economic future for both nations.